India's stock markets have tumbled after the central bank seized control of the country's fifth largest private lender. Shares of Yes Bank plunged more than 50% by the close of day. Neha Punia has more.
Since the Reserve Bank of India, or the RBI, seized control of Yes Bank, we've seen a constant stream of people coming to ATMs like the one behind me. In an unprecedented move, the central bank suspended the board of Yes Bank for a month. It blamed a serious deterioration in the bank's financial position, citing an inability to raise enough capital. Also spoke of governance issues and losses because of loans. Now, the RBI has also put a limit on how much money customers of Yes Bank can withdraw, saying they can only pull out 50,000 Indian rupees or less than $700 till the 3rd of April. The RBI claims there's no reason to panic, that it is urgently working on a revival plan for the bank. The finance minister also reaching out to customers of Yes Bank, saying that their money is safe, but depositors are angry and upset. They say they've essentially been locked out of their own accounts, and there's also been a disruption to online banking services because of the rush, and many ATMs in different parts of the country belonging to Yes Bank have also run out of cash.
दिक्कत ये हो रही है कि 50,000 के लिए लेने आए क्या करें, मतलब पैनिक ये है पब्लिक में कि कोई अपने अपने पैसे निकाल लो.
I can't pay my child schooling. Why? What wrong have I done being an honest taxpayer? Yeah? Losing faith in this entire system of the country, this is wrong.
The state-run State Bank of India has reportedly been given a go-ahead to bail out Yes Bank and infuse capital in it as well. Experts say this is possibly the only way to revive operations and save the money of depositors. But critics are pointing out that the bank's deteriorating financial position was visible months ago and that nothing was done despite the Reserve Bank of India appointing a director on the bank's board. Now, India has been grappling with the liquidity crunch that was made worse by the collapse of the country's largest shadow bank more than a year ago. Yes Bank was particularly badly hit as it struggled with a mountain of bad loans, and critics are warning that this could lead to a contagion effect which could spook investors when it comes to other smaller banks in India as well. Neha Punia, CNA, New Delhi.